You get off the plane in China and you step 6 to 7 years into the future. 100% fully autonomous passenger carrying drones. I would say unequivocally, having experienced what I've experienced in the last 9 months individually with my clients, that we are facing into the greatest technological driven tsunami in a generation. And I would actually even add to that geopolitically driven tsunami in a generation. And when you have done some of the things that I did last year with clients, including go for flights in 100% fully autonomous passenger carrying drones. So let me repeat that, no pilots. And we had our lunch delivered by drone as we walked out of an office and we went to the Beijing Center for Humanoid Robots. You understand that change per se actually is not the threat. Insularity and obsolescence is. And if you do not have your radar on and your antennae up as a leader as to what's happening outside your industry and sector, you can be completely blindsided.